Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about directionality. These are words that are related to direction. 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 Fast. 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 The thumb of an open palm and an extended index finger. Fast. Fast. Last. 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 Right. Right. We make letter R, then move it to the right side of the body. Right. Right. Then left. Left. We make letter L with the left hand, then move it to the left side. Left. Left. Far. 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 A hand shape, both hands. Then the first one, the active hand goes forward. Far. If you are left-handed, then it will be far. Far. Near. 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 In front. In front. In front. In front. In front. Behind. 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 Forward. 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 Both are open palms facing the signer. Then the active hand goes forward and makes like 2 turns. 1, 2. Makes 2 circles. 1, 2. So forward. Forward. Then backward. 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 It does the same movement but going backward. So backward. About. 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 2 A hand shapes, then going round and coming to settle on the other hand shape. About. About. Opposite. Opposite. It is the same sign as enemy. So, opposite. Opposite. Against. 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 Around. 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 We use 2 extended index fingers. Around. Through. 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 an open palm and another one, and the first one is facing up, and the other one is facing the side. Through, through, appear, 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 appear. Another sign for appear is appear, appear, or appear, appear. So there are three of them. Appear, 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 then appear. Disappear, 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 and disappear. Disappear. The first one is you make a V facing down, then it is going away with an index finger. Disappear. Then the next one is disappear. Same V facing down, then this one goes down. Disappear. Disappear. And the third one is an open palm facing down, then disappear. Disappear. Here. 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 We use an open palm and point down. Here. There. 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 From. 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 Index finger and another index finger which is curved. From. From. To. 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 Then towards. 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 The difference is two is two. Two. Then towards. Towards. It is from far. Towards. Towards. On. 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 Open palm facing down. Open palm resting on the passive open palm. On. On. At. 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 Middle. 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 Up. 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 You make a U and it goes up. Up. Then upwards, we do it twice. Upwards. We use up, then we do the sign up twice. Upwards. Upwards. Corner. 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 Face. 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 The open palms are facing each other. Face. Face. Under. 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 Underground. Underground. We use an index finger. Underground. Underground. Underneath. underneath. It is underground 2 times. So underground, then underneath, side, beside. So side we use one hand, side, then beside we use the 2 hands. Beside, parallel. We use 2 index fingers. Vertical, horizontal, above, open palm facing down, then another open palm also facing down, making a circular movement. Above. The second sign for above is above. High. We use the letter H hand shape going up. High. Low. So we use L hand shape going downwards. Low. Bottom. Beneath. This is a B hand shape. Beneath. Deep. Place. Those are words that are related to direction. Subscribe to my channel and watch more videos. See you in the next